Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to convert from radian measure to degree measure. And then I'll do another video on converting from degrees to radians. And then I'll do a third video just taking you through some basic trig functions. So remember, radians are a different way of measuring an angle. So we're very accustomed to doing angles in terms of degrees, and now we're just changing units. To compare it to something, it's kind of like how in America we use feet and inches, and in other parts of the world they might use meters and centimeters. This is just a different way of measuring the same thing. So let's start off with, if I gave you 7 pi over 4. The first thing you need to realize is that that is in radian mode. The way you know that is there is no degree symbol there. It's just simply given to you as an angle. 7 pi over 4 is the measure of theta. Some angle is equal to 7 pi over 4. I'm going to show you two different methods. So let's do these as two different things. So the first method is, I think, the easier of the two, but it's up to you. The first method is to just realize that pi is the equivalent of 180 degrees. So in all of the problems that we do, pi will equal 180 degrees. So I can literally take this when I'm doing my conversion, and in the place of the pi, I can write the 180 degrees. Now this should be something you can accomplish in your head. 180 divided by 4. Well, 180 divided by 2 is 90. Divided in 2 again, that's 45. This is 7 times 45 degrees. 7 times 4 is 28, so 280 plus 35 is 315 degrees, and I've done my conversion. So the first method is literally just to take the 180 degrees and write it in the place where the pi is in the thing you're trying to convert. The second method, which works just as well, is to use a multiplier. The second method is to take the 7 pi over 4 and multiply it times 180 degrees divided by pi. And this has the same exact effect of what we did up above. So taking and multiplying times 180 degrees over pi will convert from the radians into the degrees. I'll give you two more quick examples. Let's convert 5 pi over 2. Again, recognizing that the pi, that piece right there, is equal to 180 degrees. We can say that this is the same as 5 times 180 degrees divided by 2. 180 divided by 2 is 90. And so this is the equivalent of 450 degrees. Another way to think about this, and for those of you who are, as you get more comfortable with this, you can certainly think about this as 5 pi over 2. Well, pi over 2 is going to be 90 degrees. 5 pi over 2, I'm going to do this 1. Another 90 would be 2. Another 90 would be 3. Another 90 would be 4. And another 90 would be 5 times. That's a 450 degree angle, or 5 pi over 2. And that's how I would draw that angle if I wanted to represent it. Okay? Good. And last one, 11 pi over 6. Oops. (11 pi over 6). Again, we can think about that pi as 180 degrees. This is going to be the equivalent of taking my 11, multiplying it times 180 degrees, and then dividing by 6. 180 divided by 6, hopefully you've heard that enough times now. That's going to be 30, sorry. That's going to be 30, and 11 times 30 is 330 degrees. All right, I hope that's helpful for your first topic that you need to know for tomorrow. Thank you.